Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its one-of-a-kind calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most famous computerized cash out there. Many individuals are considering what's in store for Avalanche and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what Avalanche is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our AVAX coin cost forecast. If it's not too much trouble, recall that our cost forecasts don't comprise speculation exhortation. Consistently do your own exploration prior to trading any digital currencies. What is Avalanche, AVAX? Controlled by the directed acyclic graph upgraded agreement system that works with quick exchange speed and versatility, Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential Slide additionally has its own local token called AVAX. There are multiple ways for AVAX holders to acquire rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more AVAX tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as hodling AVAX, you can likewise procure prizes by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Avalanche's numerous dApps. Torrential Slide utilizes a decentralized independent association, DAO, to decentralize power and come to conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of AVAX token holders who can decide on proposition that will affect the organization. Torrential Slide is somewhat remarkable in that its center stage really comprises of three distinct blockchains: the exchange chain, X chain, the platform chain, P chain, and the contract chain, C chain. Every one of them have particular capabilities and purposes, however are completely interoperable, which permits the Avalanche organization to boost its proficiency, speed, and adaptability. Torrential Slide technical analysis. The Avalanche digital money answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar course as the remainder of the crypto market. AVAX has likewise shown that it has both mooning potential and vital help to ascend back up again in any event, when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of composing, AVAX was inside the best 20 digital forms of money on CoinMarketCap. By and large, these things highlight a long-haul bullish instead of a negative pattern for Avalanche. With respect to the transient AVAX cost gauge, if it's not too much trouble, take a gander at the gadget underneath. Refreshed continuously based on different markers, for example, moving midpoints and the overall strength list, it embodies the consequence of Avalanche's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies AVAX is probably going to ascend from here on out. In the event that it's sell, the coin's cost might decline soon. Torrential Slide price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Avalanche costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Avalanche will be $32.13. The most extreme level that the AVAX cost can reach is $35.66. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $33.26. AVAX price forecast for August 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Avalanche toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $29.55 in August 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $27.02 and at $30.40, separately. September 2022, Avalanche price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the AVAX cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $29.33, while the greatest could reach $31.87 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Avalanche may be around $30.73. AVAX price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Avalanche in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal AVAX rate they foresee may be around $31.35 in October 2022. It can drop to $30.22 as a base. The greatest worth may be $33.10. November 2022, Avalanche price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the AVAX cost will be exchanged at $32.60 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Avalanche worth to $34.36. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $31.20 in November 2022. AVAX price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Avalanche costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $33.26. The least and pinnacle AVAX rates may be $32.13 and $35.66. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Avalanche in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Avalanche will be around $49.55. The greatest expected AVAX cost might be around $55.84. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $51.21 in 2023. Torrential slide price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Avalanche, in 2024, AVAX is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $72.36 and $85.71, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $74.41. Torrential slide price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Avalanche in their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base AVAX cost could drop to $104.10, while its most extreme can reach $128.39. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $107.08. Torrential slide price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Avalanche by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least AVAX costs are normal in 2026, $181.20 and $150.25. By and large, it will be exchanged at $155.61. Torrential slide price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Avalanche. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical AVAX cost will be around $232.75. It could drop to at least $226.53. However, it actually could reach